going to be talking about else statements. And we're going to be using the same block of code from our if statements and equality operators video, so go check that out if you have any questions about it. And now let's get on with the else statements. Now, the else statements are companions to the if statements. They're basically the answer to a question: what if my if statement condition isn't true? But I don't want it to just do nothing. One solution to the else statement question would just be to like print nice to meet you or something, even without, like, outside of the if statement. This is like done through getting whatever you want at the same indentation level as your if statement. So like regardless of whether your if statement is true or not, your statement's gonna run. But since it runs regardless of the if statement, sometimes it's gonna be a little weird, because nice to meet you without a hello is like peanut butter without jelly. Well, maybe not that extreme, but you get the idea. So what we can do is we can put an else statement down. Now for an else statement, all you have to do is get it to align with your if statement and make sure that it has that same indent as the content of the if statement. And then you're just gonna print howdy or something like that. Anything of your choosing can go inside the string here. I'm just choosing howdy for now. And as you can see, we have two random ints that are the same value. So this condition is going to evaluate to false. Now, usually nothing would run if this evaluated to false, but with the else statement, this line of code only runs if the if statement is not true. So only runs if the if statement is not true. Otherwise, it's just kinda there. Now let's test this out by running it. As you can see, it prints out howdy, which is what we have inside this else statement over here. And then we're going to change this value so that this statement does evaluate to true. And now hello there prints, but howdy doesn't. And now we can put nice to meet you at the end without making it look all weird, since there would be nothing accompanying the nice to meet you. That is a very brief overview of an else statement in Python.